We are now walking to go to Jolla Cove and enjoy the beautiful scenery. So we'll see you when we get there. Here is part of Jolla Cove. We're going over towards Seal Beach. It's kind of overcast day, but that's what you get in June, May and June, and we're at the end of June, just in July, so a little overcast, but still beautiful. We are at Children's Pool, also known as Seal Beach. Normally this is where all the seals are, but must be the wrong time of year for the seals because it's all sunbathers. And that right there is the breaker wall for the waves. This is all along the coast. You're going to see vacation rentals and condos. Very beautiful area. Indy and I are heading out to the seawall.
Big snail.
Let's go over there and see the seals. There's some seals. They just weren't on Seal Beach on the other side of the breaker. And there's one right down here. You can see him swimming in the water. I'm surprised they're on this side. Normally they don't like the rough waters. Lazy seals. There's a lot more art peddlers here than there used to be. I was going to check out the jury. Thanks. Lots of arts and crafts. Beautiful. Lots of people. 4th of July weekend. Pelicans. More pelicans. They're all over the place. If you keep heading down this direction, you'll end up at La Jolla Park, right above La Jolla Cove. Indi and I decided to head back to the car, so that's where we're going now. Wanted to film this. This is pretty cool. It's in front of a condo unit, and it's all different kinds of roses.
Yep. Perfect.
And that's called an Erickson.
Perfect.
Called an Erickson.
Perfect.
All different kinds. Oxman, Randell's, McLeod. Pretty cool. Wonder who's the one that takes care of all these. Maynard. Say hi.
Hi.
She's right by the Stritzlers.
Good job.
And it's called a haze. I like that color red. It's great. Lieberman, Esmore. That's unusual, purple rose. Thompson.
Very pretty.
Emmanuel School.